What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another reaction. We are checking out Nature for the very first time on this channel with a song that is called Limbo. Don't know much about this group other than the fact that they were actually mentioned yesterday on Patreon, which is why I probably when I saw them today in my recommended feed, I was like, I should probably check them out. Kind of got intrigued, especially with the title Limbo. So without any further ado, let's see what this is all about. Oh, this sounds... Thank you for telling me that there's music. That was... They went from silly to sexy just like that. Oh my god. I thought limbo as if stuck in a limbo. Which it looks like some... Oh my god. Oh my god. This is incredibly addicting, and these girls look phenomenal. That was unexpected. The video and the song, it had like this really mysterious aura. They were being kind of almost like seductive, almost like, and then that chorus hit, and it's like the illusion kind of shattered, and they went from mysterious to silly, but they owned that silliness. Like, it's part of who they are. It's like part of their DNA or something. So I wouldn't be surprised if this is like something that happens throughout their previous songs. Like, there's that balance of having some seriousness, but at the same time a little bit of silliness, and may I even say goofiness, which was a really cool contrast and not something that I expected, and especially when they broke into that chorus. I was like, okay, limbo, they're stuck in the limbo. It's going to remind me of something like Chun's Limbo or something, but then they were literally playing the game during that chorus and then playing with their hair. That was quite the experience. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the lyrics, but they literally describe the game of Limbo. Lower your body, bend even more, left and right, shake it. And then they're saying playing with feelings is not okay. Like this, like that. Don't let me down insecurely. Which was so are they like equating the game of Limbo to a game of feelings or something? The way you look at me as if you fall in love, you won't get whatever you want easily. So this game of Limbo is like a game of this relationship, and it won't be as easy. And if you can get through that pole and play the game of Limbo, you will actually have a chance with me if you can keep up with me, as they literally say in the moonlight, hold wholeheartedly jump, ready or not, decide, go or stop it. Like if you want me, go for it, and let's play this game. I can't believe that I'm trying to talk about this because it's like some of the lyrics are literally a description of a game of Limbo. Uh, a heart pounding tension, the moment I let you go. Let's do the Limbo. Holy shit. We'll spend the night awake. Let's do the Limbo. So is the Limbo also a representation of something else, possibly? Tonight is a special night. Come over, pretend you can't resist. Yeah. These girls are absolutely phenomenal. Holy shit. Uh I cannot stop thinking about that chorus. It's truly addicting. Visually, these girls are absolutely sensational. And the actual chorus, them playing, like incorporating the into the choreography, the game of Limbo, it is just incredible. And there's also like all of these shots, whether it's this one that kind of represents almost like purity, all white, and then there's this shot which, there's a silhouette, and behind the silhouette there's red, which represents, passion and love and desires and whatnot, which is really really interesting. So like this song, like Limbo, has so many meanings. And the way that they made it work, and I'm not even like questioning the concept, is truly incredible. Like I'm surprised that I'm talking about it, but they made it make sense. I can only imagine like the pitch to do this concept, and if I could be a fly on the wall in that meeting or something, and how they explained it and how they wrote these lyrics, and coming up with all of these ideas to make this work and not make me question anything here, and be like, yeah, this totally makes sense because they made it make sense. I don't I That takes a certain special kind of talent. This was absolutely addicting. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. And yeah, let me know what you thought about this music video. Is it right up their alley as far as concepts and, incorporating the silliness but still having that seriousness in their music video? And yeah, let me know and I will catch you all in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.